House project, here we come.
This is your typical Australian home that you'd see in any suburban area.
Oh, this is it.
This is it.
Oh, it's got a cute picket fence.
Brick house.
It's brick.
It's brick.
You've got a lot of brick to deal with.
I've got a lot of brick to deal with.
And I'm going to transform it.
Did he say that? We're going to renovate it.
They always forget about me. There's also the Bunnings team. They're here helping out. They're bright red, you can't miss them.
We're going to have to stretch this budget a long way.
Like, a long way. But we're going to show you can get an incredibly luxe looking transformation without spending a lot.
The power of DIY. Let's be real, we're going to have to work for it.
But it's going to be epic.
Let's go.
I'm excited.